Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see Class 5 of a Year Question Paper 2025, and the subject is Maths. Students, if you want to join my channel, KV Students Tutor by Catherine, you have to send me a WhatsApp message to 74186 19174. You WhatsApp me to join the classes 74186 19174. Okay, I'm teaching English, Maths, and EVS. So once the lesson is completed, I'll be sending worksheets for practice for your exam. So all these worksheets are prepared by myself. Okay, so you can prepare giving the answers, and once the answers are done, send it back for correction. Okay, to join the channel, you have to send me the message to 74186 19174, and I'll tell you how to join the channel. So these are the revision tests. Each and every week I'll be conducting exams for you, so it will be very easy to practice for your exam. So these are the worksheets for each lesson. Okay, now we will go directly to the off year question paper. So knowledge of concept, we have 10 marks. Multiple choice question. The first question is, which number comes first in the ascending order? So what is the ascending order? Smaller number to the bigger number. For example, if you have number 5, 4, 9, 2, if you are arranging this in an ascending order, number 2 comes first because that is the smaller number when you compare to these three numbers. You have to find out. So if there is a clock here, mark the timings. So 12, 3, 6 and 9. So 12 o'clock, what is the angle? So this is 3 o'clock. So the angled frame at 3 o'clock is 90 degree. 90 degree is right angle. Okay, so the correct answer is answer C, right angle. Okay, so which of the following is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 3? So what is an equivalent fraction? We have to multiply the numerator and denominator to the same number. So if you see here, 2 and 5 will not come in same tables. It will not come in 2 tables, 3 tables. 5 is different and 2 is different. And here 10 by 15. So 2 5s are 10. And let me see, 3, no, 5. So let's multiply with 5. So 2 5s are 10. Then 5 3s are 15. Okay, so answer B is the correct one. If you multiply 5 with same numerator and denominator, so 5 2s are 10. 5, sorry, 3. So 5 3s are 15. So answer B is the correct one. A dash angle is less than 90 degrees. So dash angle is less than 90 degrees. For example, so this is the 90 degree angle, right angle. So when you have an angle lesser than 90 degree, so less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Okay, less than 90 degree angle is called as an acute angle. So where is acute angle? Answer is answer A. Okay, students, again I'm telling, revision exams are going in the class. If you want to attend the revision exam, you have to join the channel as a member. Okay, so you have to pay some amount and then join as a member. Next, fill in the blanks with correct answer. Okay, so the place value on 5. So the place value of 5. Okay, the place value of 5 in this number. Okay, it is 73,500. I'm sorry, 7,35,321. So we have 5 here. So what is the place value of 5? So 5, this is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So place value of 5 is 1000, which is also 5,000. So you can write 1000. In brackets, you can mention 5,000. Okay, next, write the number name for this. So the number name, this one is 62,281. So 62,281. Okay, next, a state angle always measure dash degree. For example, if you have a state angle here, this measures 180 degrees. Okay, the same question here also they have placed. Half turn is equal to how many degrees? For example, so this is a half turn, and the straight line here, it is 180 degrees. So same question is framed. A straight angle is always measured 180 degrees. Okay, next. When I stretch all the 5 fingers of my hand to full, my fingers make 4 dash angles. For example, I'm just drawing a hand here. So this is your and your thumb finger. Okay, and if you are stretching all these, you will get acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees. Okay, it is like acute angle. If you try how hard to stretch also, you cannot able to make a right angle when all the fingers are open, so it is acute angle. Okay, so ACUTE. Okay, acute angle. So next question, fill in the blanks. So which one is greater or smaller or equal to? So we always know if the number of pieces increase, the size also will become smaller. So here if you see 17 and here we have denominator 15. So obviously this is the bigger one. Okay, next. So fill in the blanks with continued pattern. So we have a 10,101. So 10,201. Students, 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Give me a minute. I'm having some issues with a notepad. Give me a minute. Okay. So fill in the blanks with continuous pattern. Okay. So first number we have 10,101. So 10,201, 10,301. Next is 10,401. Easy one, right? So 10,401. Next is 10,501. 10,601. Okay. So next you have 73,005, 72,004, 71,003. If you see, the thousands are getting decreased, and also the number in ones is also getting decreased. So next will be 70,000, and ones place we have 3 here. So now it is 2. So next we have 69,000. In ones place we have 2. Now we have to put 1. Next is 68,000. So in ones place we have 1. So now it is 0. Okay. Next is easiest one. Fill in the blocks appropriately. So numbers 2789. So nearest tens, nearest hundreds and nearest thousands you have to find out. Okay, first we will write nearest 10. So we have 89. So the nearest 10 is 90. So you write 2790. And 100 we have 789. So the nearest 100 is 800. So 2800. And 1000 nearest 1000 for 2789 is 3000. In case if the number is 2489, then the nearest number will be 2000. Okay, next 8201. So the nearest 10 here is 8200. Okay, and nearest 100 again 8200. 1000 is 8000. Okay, the next one. Divide the figure as per the fraction. So we have fraction here. So 3 by 4. So first we have to divide this square into 4 equal parts. Then the fraction is 3 by 4. So you have to shade, or you can 3 by 4. So this is the first part. Second and third. So this is 3 by 4. Okay. So next you have 4 by 6. So in this picture you have to divide the parts into 6 parts. So put a straight line. Always use a scale to do this, students. Then only you can able to divide it equally. Okay, 4 by 6 need to divide or need to shade 6 parts now. So first part, second part, third part, fourth. Okay, 4 parts it's shaded out of 6 parts. So this is 4 by 6 and this is 3 by 4. Okay. Next, compare the following fraction. Now you have to compare the following fraction and find out which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay, so we already know if the part is lesser, the piece will be, it is like a bigger in size. Okay, if you see here, which is bigger, 3 by 4 or 4 by 6? 3 by 4, because the fraction here in the denominator is bigger. So here 3 by 8 and 4 by 7, when we compare, 3 by 7 is bigger. Likewise 7 by 9 or 7 by 11. So which one is the bigger part? This one. Okay. Next, look at the figure and find the angles. Right angle. So first right angle I'll do in different colors. Right angle I'm going to take in blue. So how many right angles we have? So first one, second one, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, 18, we have 19, we have 20, And where else we have 21, 22. So how many right angles we have? 22. Okay. Next we have acute angle. So less than 90 degrees. I'll do in red. So 1, 2, and we have 3 and 4. So 4 acute angle. Next is obtuse angle. We'll do in brown. So obtuse angle greater than 90 degrees. So 1, and here we have 2, and this one 3. So totally we have 3. Okay. So next is a question base 3-mark question, students. Okay, read the question very carefully and then answer it. Okay, Raju is celebrating his birthday and he invited 24 friends to the party. His big brother Rahul went to pick up his friend by car and 4 children are allowed per trip. Okay, how many friends are there in total? That you have to write first. So, total number of friends. Total number of friends is 24. And Rahul went to pick up his friend by car. And 4 children are allowed per trip. So, per trip, we have 4 children. So, total number of trip, you have to divide 24 by 4. So, total number of trip, which is equal to 24 divided by 4. So 4 6 are 24. So 6 times. So how many trips are needed? Answer you can write. Answer 6 trips is needed to bring all 24 students. So 6 trips needed to bring all 24 children. Okay, 6 trip is the answer. Next question. Kamal makes different types of dosa. He sells in market. So Kamal is a dosa maker and he's making different types of dosa and he's selling in the market. Each dosa is rupees 40. So one dosa we will write. One dosa equal to rupees 40. Okay, here we have list. First, Ram ate half masala dosa and one paneer dosa. So we can make a note of it. So Ram ate half masala dosa plus one paneer dosa. Next, Sharina ate quarter onion dosa. So 1 by 4. So Sharina, she ate 1 by 4 dosa. Next, Sharina's papa. Papa ate 1 masala dosa plus quarter 1 by 4 onion dosa. Okay, now we will add and see. And also there is a question. How many dosa in total and what is Kamal profit in rupees? So first we will see how many dosa. Okay, so we have 1 by 2 plus 1 which is Ram. Next Shireen we have quarter dosa. Papa ate 1 and 1 by 4 onion dosa. So when you add, So we already have full dosa here. 1, 2. So 2 plus we have 2 quarters, which is half, and we have one more half here. So half plus half is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So totally 3 dosa. Okay, and each dosa is 40 rupees. So 3 into 40. Okay, 0 3s are 0, 4 3s are 12. So profit which is equal to rupees 120. Okay, dosa which is equal to 3. Okay, next question. Draw the angle formed by the following turns. Okay, we have to draw the angles and following turns. So we have to do 4 by 6 turns. So we already have 4 by 6 here in the figure. So here this one is the 4 by 6. So the angle here, if you see, what angle is this? This is a reflex angle. So if you see how the angle is there, so angle is, 1 minute. Do it into. So this is the angle. So angle is here. So this one is the reflex angle. Okay. Next we have 1 by 4 turn. You see any 1 by 4 turn? It is not there. Okay, then I'll draw the 1 by 4 turn. Okay, take a circle. And I'm dividing by 4 parts. And one turn is this. So what angle you are getting? Here it's a 90-degree, which is right angle. Which is right angle. Okay. And students, we are completing this question paper here. So very easy. Without any mistake, you can able to complete this question paper. All the sums which is already discussed only, it is there, nothing new. So even this dosa question is also from the chapati question which was asked from your lesson. So it is like I slightly modified it. Okay. So all the very best for your exam. Do well, be safe, and always take care of yourself and obey your parents and teachers. That is very important. And students, if you want to join the channel, so what you have to do is I'll just show you how to join the channel. Wait. Okay, you have to go here in the description box. Click here and the links are there. These are the WhatsApp link for each subject. Sorry, each class. For class 5, you can click this and join the group. And if you want to join the channel as a member and get all these worksheets, exam practice, then you have to click this link. Join the channel to get the question papers. You have to click this. And you have to scroll down here and select worksheet for each lesson. Select worksheet for each lesson. For 599 you have to join. This is a monthly payment, students. Okay, so each and every month you have to you'll get renewed. And if you want to pay using GPay also, you let me know. I'll tell you how to pay GPay monthly. So every month you will be having revisions. Weekly test will be conducted. So you will be a student of my channel. So I'll be taking care of your maths, English and EVS subjects. Okay. So I'm just closing this video now. Do your exam well. Take care and be safe.